everyone, welcome back to my channel Analytics with Amrita. So today we are going to solve one more question, that is write a query to find top 5 orders with highest sales in furniture category. So let's bifurcate our question, that is write a query to find top 5. We have to find top 5 orders, okay? And now the condition is with highest sales. That means the sales should be the highest in, and the sales should be in the descending order only, because how we are going to find the highest, the sales will be in the descending order, then only the highest sales will be on the top. Okay, and now the other condition is the category should be furniture. So now let's write our query, that is select star from our order table, that is orders, where what is the condition, the category should be furniture. Let's run this so that we can know uh, what are the how many rows we have in the table. So let's execute this. This is 9994 rows we have in our table. So now we will put our second condition, that is where condition, using where clause we will put our second condition, that is category is equal to, what is the condition, category should be furniture. As you can see here, there are different categories here. So in category office supplies, technology, furniture, these are the categories. So we will put condition on category so that we can filter out the furniture category data only. So let's run this so that we can get how many rows we have in the furniture category. We have 2121 rows. That means these are the orders which are placed in furniture category. So next, what is the condition? The highest sales. How we are going to find the highest sales? We have to use order by clause. On which column? Sales column, because it's mentioning we have to order by sales, right? Then only we will get um, the highest sales. Let's run this, then we will got to know by default what the server use ascending order or descending order. Let's execute this. By this, how we will get to know its default. If you see, it's default using ascending order instead of descending order. So as system is using ascending order as a default, so we have to mention descending because we have to find the highest sales. So let's execute this. Once we execute this, we are getting uh, highest sales on the top, and now the sales are reducing, right? So let's go to the question again, that is we have to find top 5 in other SQL server. There is a term as limit, which will limit your data to particular row, or we have to find top 5 or top 10 or top 15. So we can limit that thing here. But in MS SQL Server, Microsoft SQL Server, it's we have to write top 5 here only. Okay. So after uh, let's run this, and we will get only 5 rows from this. So as you can see there, the sales is reducing. So we got our top 5 sales. So now the question is, what is the order of execution? So as we have run every keyword separately, so you know what, how it's working. First, it's working from, then where, then order by, then top 5, because from where this is taking the database, then we are putting our furniture category condition, then we are ordering the data, then we are putting our third condition, that is top 5. So this is the order of execution, from where, order by, top. Okay, from where, so it goes like this: from where, select, order by, then top 5. Okay, so order of execution is from where, or select, order by, then top 5. top 5 is not working with this star. Okay, this should be clear that top 5 is not working with this is working separately. This top 5 is working separately. Okay, thank you.